Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Spec. The motor nameplate is the key for finding a replacement, as it lists the model number and electrical specs of the motor. In some cases, the model number can be used to find an OEM motor or direct cross-reference. If needed, you can still use the motor specifications to find a proper replacement. First, match the physical specs. Smaller motors will generally have a C-frame, a 3.3-inch frame, or a 4.4-inch frame. Now, measure the shaft diameter and length. Next, consider the mounting type. Now that you've narrowed down a motor of the same physical size, it's time to match the electrical specs. These are listed on the motor nameplate. First, match the horsepower. Then, note the motor voltage and amp rating. Next, look at the motor speed and the number of speeds. The direction of rotation is usually written as a code. The code describes whether the motor rotates clockwise or counterclockwise, defined from either the shaft end or from the lead end. Now these are opposites, so clockwise lead end is equivalent to counterclockwise shaft end. Hopefully, this video has helped you find a proper replacement motor. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.